Lesson 3-3 in Applied Geometry. We're reviewing the slope-intercept form of graphing. You should have already studied this somewhat extensively in algebra. We'll refer only to the slope-intercept form in this course. Slope-intercept form, of course, is characterized by this equation, y equals mx plus b. That's the form, it's not an actual line. In order to have an actual line, I have to know the m, 1/3, and the y-intercept b, which is 3. M is slope. And I've detailed those out here because those are the two things we need. Those will help us find our 2 points so we can define the line and graph it. Slope is 1/3. Y-intercept, of course, which is where the line crosses the y-axis, is 3. So when you're graphing using slope-intercept form, the first thing you want to plot is the y-intercept, which is right there at 0, 3. It crosses the y-axis at 3. That ordered pair, that point is 0, 3. And then we want to count the slope. Our slope is 1/3, just toggling back. 1/3 is our slope. So we want to count the slope from the y-intercept. Common misconception is people start counting the slope from origin. Not in this case. We've identified one point. We need to find the next point on the line. We're using slope to find it. So from 3 we go up 1. So we're at up 1 and then over 1, 2, 3. So rise of 1, run of 1, 2, 3. And we are now at the point 3, 4, which I'll throw on the graph real quick. There's our point 3, 4. So now we have 2 points. We can connect that with a straight edge ruler and end up with our line y equals 1/3 x. I'll have it up there in a second. And there's our line, y equals 1/3 x plus 3. It goes through both points. So quick review for slope-intercept form of graphing. Find your slope, find your y-intercept. Sometimes you have to manipulate the equation first. We'll practice with some of those. Plot the y-intercept, count the slope from there, make your second point. There are your 2 points that identify or define a line, and I can go ahead and construct the line.